8 minus 4 equals 4. And here we have 4 minus 2, which gives us 2. So 4 times 2 equals 8. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first this multiplication. 4 times 4 gives us 16. So 8 minus 16, then minus 2. Now we have to do this subtraction. 8 minus 16 gives us negative 8. So negative 8 minus 2, which equals negative 10. And this is our final answer to this problem.